Imagine your engine hesitates, struggles to start, or your fuel gauge drops fast. These issues hint at a complex, hidden journey, fuel's path from tank to power. Understanding this system is crucial for diagnosing problems, maintaining peak performance, and appreciating engineering precision. We start this exploration at the fuel tank. The modern fuel tank is a sophisticated container, often high-density polyethylene for resistance and safety. Internal baffling plates prevent fuel sloshing during dynamic maneuvers, ensuring continuous, air-free supply to the pump inlet. A pressure equalization system, with a charcoal canister, manages fuel vapor emissions, preventing hazardous pressure buildup and destructive vacuum collapse. The integrated fuel sender unit, a float linked to a resistor, accurately transmits fuel level to the dashboard. Deterioration here can cause inaccurate readings or delivery inconsistencies. From the tank, fuel is drawn and pressurized by the low-pressure pump, the system's initial heart. Modern vehicles use electric pumps, often submerged for cooling and noise dampening. This pump generates crucial pressure, propelling fuel through lines to the engine. Its components include an electric motor, an impeller, and a check valve maintaining residual pressure when off, aiding restarts. A failing pump manifests as insufficient pressure or volume, causing prolonged cranking, intermittent misfires, or complete power loss. Under pressure, fuel traverses a network of lines, engineered for durability and corrosion resistance. These conduits, typically steel or reinforced nylon, are routed away from heat or sharp edges. Vibration dampeners and secure mounting points mitigate chafing and fatigue. Before sensitive engine components, fuel passes through a designed fuel filter. This pleated paper element removes particulate contaminants like rust and dirt. Without purification, particles clog injectors or damage pump components. A clogged filter restricts flow, causing performance degradation, hesitation, and reduced power. What specific internal component within the fuel tank actively prevents fuel sloshing during dynamic driving maneuvers, ensuring a continuous, air-free supply to the pump inlet? The answer is the internal baffling system or baffles. These structures control fuel movement, stabilizing the fuel mass and preventing shifts that could expose the pump's intake to air, causing intermittent performance. The culmination of fuel delivery resides within the injectors. These sophisticated, electronically actuated valves precisely atomize fuel into a fine mist, optimizing it for efficient combustion. Each injector comprises a solenoid, a pintle or disc valve, and a machine nozzle. The engine control unit, or ECU, controls the injector's opening time, or pulse width, and its timing. This precision is critical for the ideal air-fuel mixture across various engine loads. Clogged or malfunctioning injectors lead to suboptimal fuel atomization, resulting in engine misfires, reduced fuel economy, and increased harmful emissions. When an engine misfires due to inefficient fuel dispersion at the cylinder, preventing homogeneous mixing, what precise injector problem is the most direct cause? The answer points to a clogged injector or one with a degraded spray pattern. Here, fuel is not atomized into the fine mist required for proper combustion, leading to incomplete burning and engine instability. To uphold critical fuel pressure for injectors, the system employs a regulator. In traditional return-style systems, this device, often on the fuel rail, uses a diaphragm to bleed excess fuel back to the tank. It typically references intake manifold vacuum to adjust fuel pressure relative to manifold pressure, ensuring consistent pressure differential. In contemporary returnless systems, the regulator is integrated into the fuel pump module. Here, the ECU controls pump rotational speed to maintain desired pressure, eliminating the return line and reducing evaporative emissions. In a traditional return-style fuel system, what specific component dynamically adjusts and maintains consistent fuel pressure at the fuel rail, often by referencing intake manifold vacuum, ensuring optimal injector operation? The component is the fuel pressure regulator. This device precisely manages pressure differential across injectors, preventing starvation and overpressurization. For vehicles with direct injection, the fuel journey includes a critical stage, the high-pressure fuel pump. While a low-pressure in-tank pump delivers fuel to the engine, this dedicated high-pressure pump, mechanically driven by the camshaft, elevates fuel pressure dramatically to hundreds or thousands of psi. This extreme pressure is necessary for direct injection, where fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber against high cylinder pressures. Failure results in immediate significant power loss, severe misfires, and costly engine damage. Once atomized fuel mixes with air and ignites, exhaust gases provide vital feedback. Oxygen sensors, positioned upstream and downstream of the catalytic converter, monitor oxygen content. These sensors generate a voltage signal, which the ECU interprets for the air-fuel ratio. This feedback loop is critical for efficiency and emission control. If an oxygen sensor detects a lean condition, the ECU commands injectors to increase fuel delivery. For a rich condition, fuel delivery is reduced. This dynamic adjustment, fuel trim, is fundamental for optimizing combustion, minimizing pollutants, and maintaining engine health. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, functions as central intelligence, orchestrating every facet of this complex fuel journey. It continuously processes data from numerous sensors, MAP, MAF, engine speed, crankshaft position, camshaft position, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensors. Based on these inputs, the ECU executes algorithms to calculate precise fuel injection timing and duration, optimize ignition timing, and govern the fuel pump's operating pressure in advanced returnless systems. Its programming ensures the engine consistently receives optimal air-fuel mixture under every operating condition, balancing power, efficiency, and emissions. A common diagnostic code, P0171, indicates a System 2 lean condition for Bank 1. Which two primary components within the fuel delivery system, if malfunctioning, are most likely direct causes of insufficient fuel delivery triggering this code? The culprits are a weak or failing fuel pump, unable to deliver adequate pressure or volume, or one or more clogged fuel injectors restricting flow to their cylinders, leading to a lean combustion event. An often overlooked yet crucial component is the evaporative emission control, or EVAP system. This system prevents harmful fuel vapors, powerful greenhouse gases, from escaping into the atmosphere. Vapors from the tank are routed to a charcoal canister for storage. When the engine operates under specific conditions, the ECU opens a purge valve, drawing these stored vapors into the engine to be safely burned. Furthermore, this system's integrity and longevity depend on fuel quality. Contaminants, water, or incorrect octane levels severely impact performance. Low-quality fuel leads to corrosive damage or deposit buildup on injectors, reducing efficiency. Water causes intermittent issues and freezing in colder climates. From initial, precise draw at the fuel tank, through methodical pressurization, meticulous purification, and exact atomization, extending to final combustion and sophisticated emission control, every step in this journey is engineered with unparalleled precision for optimal performance, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. This complex orchestration, masterfully managed by the Engine Control Unit, ensures every drop of fuel is precisely and efficiently converted into the exact power demanded by the driver at any given moment. This intricate dance of components stands as a remarkable testament to modern automotive engineering.